This is an addendum video to the TROS Training Helmet. This is Luke's version, and I'm filming this because there's a couple new features. This helmet build-up was done by DJ Burgess, one of my team members, who's extremely talented. This is a just glorious, really tight build-up. But what I wanted to show you was there's new parts that allow for a swinging Blastshield. Well, let me show you. Well, first of all, before I get to that, into those two new pieces, let me show you the detailing. There's a line that goes across this. The weathering is really, really cool. There's no orange dot, and instead there's a symbol. There's debate online right now whether or not these side panels are red, or there's talk that they might be yellow, like a mustardy yellow color on both sides, and that these might not be a bluish gray. They could be more of a, gosh, I forgot what color they're supposed to be. They might be. We're not sure yet. So anyways, this is the red cap version. All right, let me show you this visor swing up is accomplished. If I can get inside here, there's an arm that connects at the back, and it's bolted to the interior. This has already been covered with a sewn lining. There you go. So right into the middle of that, there lives this arm. There's a bolt that goes through there, connecting it so that it swivels, and then this now goes up and down. So here's your two new pieces. These ship with each kit. These are your two arms. This is oriented like this for the right side of the helmet, and left side of the helmet is that opposite part. And then they join up back here at the rear, which allows a working, swinging Blastshield. So in that orientation, this is the full open position and full closed position. I'll show that to you again. So we're fully closed and fully open. And also in this version, this detail part is painted with Alumoluster, and so is this little cap piece. There's gray rings here now, and there's a gray cap to this Alumoluster piece, and there are sewn tabs. If you can see, there's sewn leather tabs here, and a completely enclosed leather interior. And you can also see there's hardware that attaches the outer plates. Let me show you the underside of the helmet. That line, I believe, is done with marker. You can see it goes all the way across the bottom also. So top line and bottom line. Great detail. Alright, that's it. Just wanted to demonstrate these two new pieces that ship with each kit from now on. You're going to get these two swing arms, and this is how they orient and attach to the Blastshield. Thanks to DJ Burgess for building up this kit. What a great job. What an amazing, valuable member of this team. And off this goes to the client. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out the other content.